Brevo CRM What's Up tutorial. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to have your What's Up together with our Brevo over here. So you could do this by going to our campaigns over here in the left side. And in this list, as you can see, we could click on create campaign over here on the top right. In this, we will be able to select WhatsApp as an option over here. So simply select WhatsApp over here. Although for the WhatsApp, you will have to activate, as you can see here, you will need to have some activation. As you can see, app was enabled. So now we could simply select WhatsApp over here. And now we can create our campaign over here, as you can see. So simply name it whatever you want. So let's say WhatsApp for now. Click on start. And now you will be able to simply create your different WhatsApp section over here. So you could choose where it will be coming from, as you can see. You could select the phone number that you want. You will have to log in though over here with your WhatsApp business account. And after that, you could now simply click on modify who you will be sending to, your contact list, of course. And then the message content over here. You could put in and create your content over here on your message content section over here. After that, after you created your message, simply click on schedule and you will then be able to schedule on when this message will be sent. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.